If you have been dreaming of starting your own business for years and years and years and you just haven't done it yet, then this video is gonna be for you. You're gonna watch me build a business in under an hour. And if you wanna stop procrastinating and build yours too, then definitely follow along with me in this video. I'm here to show you just how quickly you can build a business without compromising the quality. So let's do this together. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to this channel. Who is new here? If you are new, I want you guys to leave your business name down below and introduce yourself because you have just entered a beautiful corner of YouTube where we have this amazing community of online entrepreneurs who are quitting their 9-to-5 job and they are finding monetary abundance. So welcome to the crew. And if you're one of us, make sure that you're hitting subscribe because here on this channel, we teach you how to grow an online business. Okay, start the clock. First, we need to decide, what are we gonna be selling? What is our business gonna be all about? Are we selling pet rocks? Are we selling pre-made margaritas? Well, for sure we're not selling margaritas because that would be against Shopify's rules and regulations, okay? So don't get any crazy ideas. But you know what, guys? The most successful businesses come from a place of passion. And I, for one, am a huge dog lover. And I couldn't think of anything better than having 11 dogs in my 800 square foot apartment and hair all over my couch. So I'm gonna open up a pet sitting business. I feel like we never talk about service industry businesses here on this channel, so I feel like this is gonna be great. Okay, so the first step in starting any business is doing research to see if there will be demand for what it is you're about to offer. And like, I don't wanna go through all of this trouble of opening up a business and there be nobody with dogs in my area, right? That would suck. So to do research, I'm gonna do 3 things. And you guys should do this too if you're gonna be targeting locals. First, I'm gonna go on Google Maps and I'm gonna see what businesses are around. I'm gonna look up veterinarians and pet shops, and there does seem to be a decent amount. So it's safe to assume that people in my area do have dogs. And you guys would do the same with your respective niche. Next thing that I'm gonna do, and you guys should be doing this too, is start assessing the competition. I know for a fact that people are gonna be using apps like Rover, so I'm gonna check out to see how many dog sitters are in my area using Rover. And I'm also gonna do a business search on Google to see how many local businesses are servicing my area too. So the verdict, there is definitely gonna be some competition. So later, we're gonna have to think about how we can differentiate ourselves. So we'll cover that next. And the last thing you're gonna wanna do in validating your business idea is to check out what people have been searching for on Google. This will help us understand the specific needs they have and will define what our niche will be. So to do this, we're gonna use a tool called Google Trends. This is a free tool where you can type in a keyword, filter it down to a specific area, and see the trends in how many people have been searching for your keyword. So see this line here? This is actually looking pretty good. It looks like in recent months, there's been a spike in the amount of people that have been searching for dog sitters. Okay, so that's good, research done. And take a look at that. That has only been 11 minutes, so not bad at all. Okay, remember how I said we have a bit of competition in our area? So we gotta ask ourselves the question, why would a customer go with my business versus someone else's business? So I'm gonna put myself, and you guys should do this too, but I'm gonna put myself in my customer's shoes. What does every dog owner want from a dog sitter? Fun, exercise, stimulation, and what better way to do all of this than turning my house into a miniature carnival for dogs? It's gonna be great. I'm gonna have to walk around the Ferris wheel every morning just to make my breakfast, and I'm gonna call this Canine Carnival Sitters. All right, now let's open up our Shopify store for this insane business. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna sign up for Shopify with the link in the description box, and I'll also pop it up on screen here too. And we're gonna use Shopify to build our store because Shopify is great. You get a free trial and it does not require you to input your credit card. So we are gonna sign up just like this here. And signing up for Shopify took me 4 minutes, guys. So now we are ready to build our business. Okay, so I'm gonna make 3 products available. I'm gonna do a nightly stay, a weekly bundle, and a monthly bundle. Okay, cool. Now that that's done, I'm gonna set up my homepage. I want it to look trustworthy, but not boring, because you know, we're all about fun here. And I also wanna make it look professional. I have no idea how we're gonna make a carnival look professional, but maybe we'll add like little briefcases in some of these photos. But all jokes aside, guys, you definitely want your homepage to look trustworthy and appear professional. Some quick tips on how to set up your homepage. Number one, always make sure you have a call to action before a user has to do any scrolling. Secondly, make sure your products can easily be added to the cart from your homepage to increase conversions. And of course, you want to make sure that you are focusing more on photos than you are on text, because everyone is lazy and no one has time to read. Products done, homepage done, and oh my God, guys, we only have 18 minutes left. Okay, so let's do this quick. Let's make an About Us page. And since we're strapped for time, I'm actually gonna use ChatGPT and I'm gonna ask it to make me a paragraph about my dog carnival sitter business. And I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste it. And now I'm quickly gonna edit it and customize the text a little bit. And guys, boom, done. I am telling you, you guys need to use ChatGPT. Look how easy I just wrote my About Us page. And guys, you can use it for so many other things as a business owner, literally from writing product descriptions to doing keyword research. So if you do want to learn how to use ChatGPT, I will pop the link to that video that we made right up here and in the description box down below if you're interested. Okay guys, so my business is alive and it is online. Yay. But the thing is just because it exists doesn't mean everyone is going to come flocking to it. And that is where marketing comes into play. Okay, marketing is going to be an ongoing forever thing. It never ends. It's like a cup that has no bottom. But the good news is that on this channel, we have everything that you need in order for you to figure out how you're gonna market your business. So make sure that you're hitting subscribe. But for the purpose of this video, we're just gonna put together a high-level marketing plan in a few minutes that we have left. Don't expect a Lions Award because we're gonna whip this up really fast. However, I know that it's gonna be effective because I actually have used this exact plan. So for anyone that has a very visually pleasing product, or for anyone that has a really great brand story to tell, you're definitely going to want to take to TikTok and make a TikTok strategy, because there's no better place for visual storytelling than TikTok right now. So in a spreadsheet, I'm going to make one column that says inspo and another column that says date. In the inspo column, I'm going to add a URL with TikTok examples to remind me exactly what I'm going to film and what I'm going to post. And on the date section, it's going to remind me when I'm going to post it. So the goal is to make a video go viral, and the goal is to get people to visit my profile, click through to my link, and book their dog into my carnival hotel. I don't want to drive myself crazy because I am a one-person team in this super wild business venture. And I say this for you guys too. I'm sure a lot of you guys that are watching are also one man or one woman show. So really, I would say just focus on one, max 2 marketing channels. You know, on top of TikTok, I want to market my services on Rover, because I know people are opening Rover and they are hot and ready to book exactly what it is that I'm offering. You guys should do this too with your respective businesses. So let's say you're an artisan, definitely have your own Shopify store, but also make your products available on Etsy, for example. Or let's say you sell courses, make your courses available on Udemy. Leveraging other platforms that have a hot audience ready to buy exactly what you're offering is a great marketing tool that you guys should definitely be taking advantage of. All right, so after that Rover posting, I'm a bit over time. That was 1 hour and 14 minutes, but that's okay because we got it done. I would have procrastinated on this $1 million business for another year if I hadn't put myself up to the challenge. So I'm glad we did this, and hopefully this has helped you too. Now guys, we also have a totally free online course that will help you go from first day to first sale. A Shopify expert will show you how to come up with the idea, develop a must-have product, build a powerful brand around it, and launch an effective marketing strategy. So if you're on a budget or you feel like you're a total beginner, then this course will definitely be for you. So if you're interested, sign up using the link down below. All right, guys, so that was it. Hopefully this has been helpful to you, and hopefully you guys actually follow along in this video. Other than that, make sure that you're hitting subscribe because we are a channel that is helping business owners with big plans. So if you're an aspiring entrepreneur, or if you are an entrepreneur that needs that knowledge to grow your business, hit subscribe. And yeah, guys, other than that, I will see you in the next one. Bye.